fix YouTube revenue drop after policy update. So to fix a YouTube revenue drop, you can check for limited or restricted ads. If you notice a sudden drop in your RPM, it could be due to automated systems flagging your content as not advertiser friendly. So what you have to do is open the YouTube Studio app on a device, then tap the content tab from the bottom menu. Since I don't have any content or videos, so you won't be able to see it on my screen. Now look for the video with a yellow dollar sign instead of green, and then tap the restricted video, select monetization, and then tap request review if your content follows ad guidelines. Now the next thing what you can do is improve audience retention, because YouTube algorithms prioritize engagement. Shorter watch times mean fewer ads are displayed to your viewers. Now what you have to do is review your analytics from the bottom menu to find where viewers drop off. The next what you can do is cut long winded intros and use a faster paced, highly engaging hook within the first 7 to 15 seconds of your mobile uploads to keep viewers watching longer. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.